Good evening, young boys and girls. Ruth here to talk to you some more concerning sexual intercourse. Since my last taping on the subject, I have received many requests from you youngins about what exactly do I say during the act. Well, there are many things that you can say: scream, yell, moan. But here are a few suggestions. Ah, ah, ee, oh, ooh. Pretty much any vowel will work. There are also certain sayings that kind of stimulate. Oh, baby, yeah, that's right, do it again, right there. Or, bitch, that feel good, you dirty motherfucker. That's Leland's favorite. Anyway, I hope this has helped you on discovering what it is you can say during sex. Enjoy!